In the battle against cancer, few drugs have made such a profound impact as cisplatin. Born from an unexpected experiment, this life-saving breakthrough has changed millions of lives worldwide. Welcome to Fascinating Drug Discoveries. I am your host Dr. Shagufta Wasim, and together we explore the stories behind the world's most fascinating drugs. In this episode, we are talking about cisplatin, one of the most important chemotherapy drugs used in the treatment of cancer. It's been helping to save lives for decades, but how exactly does it work? What makes it so special? Let's find out. The compound was first synthesized in 1845 by Italian chemist Michel Perron, but its potential as a cancer treatment remained hidden for over a century. The story of cisplatin truly began in the 1960s with Dr. Barnett Rosenberg, a scientist at Michigan State University. He was conducting experiments to study the effect of electrical fields on bacteria when an unexpected discovery occurred. During his research, Rosenberg noticed that a platinum-based compound inhibited bacterial growth. Intrigued by this surprising result, he wondered, could this compound have potential beyond bacteria? Rosenberg and his team took their investigation further, testing the compound on cancer cells. They were surprised to discover that the platinum compound not only killed bacteria but also slowed tumor growth. This compound, which would later be named cisplatin, went from a laboratory finding to a groundbreaking cancer therapy, transforming the treatment landscape and saving countless lives in the process. Despite initial skepticism in the medical community, since heavy metals like platinum were thought to be toxic, the compound showed promise. In 1972, clinical trials began, with cisplatin proving effective in treating testicular cancer, one of the most challenging cancers to treat at the time. By the 1978, cisplatin was approved by the FDA for use in testicular cancer. Its success in combination with other drugs led to its approval for other cancers, including ovarian, bladder, and lung cancers, making cisplatin a cornerstone of chemotherapy. Cisplatin is a platinum-based chemotherapy drug with a square planar structure. This is a key to its remarkable effectiveness. The molecule consists of two chloride ions and two ammonia molecules, all bonded to a central platinum atom. What makes cisplatin unique is its cis configuration, where the two similar ligands are positioned adjacent to each other. The specific arrangement allows cisplatin to interact with the DNA in a way that disrupts the cancer cell's growth and survival. Upon entering the low chloride environment of a cell, cisplatin undergoes a process called equation, where one or both chloride ions are replaced by water molecules, creating a reactive form. The activated cisplatin targets DNA, specifically binding to the nitrogen atoms of a guanine bases. Due to its cis configuration, it forms intra-strand crosslinks, linking to adjacent guanine bases or guanine and adenine bases. These crosslinks bend and distort the DNA helix. The distorted DNA prevents replication and transcription, essential processes for cell division and survival. The damage activates the cell repair mechanism, but if the damage is too expensive, the cell undergoes apoptosis or programmed cell death. The cis arrangement is vital for the molecule's ability to form intra-strand crosslinks. In contrast, the trans isomer of cisplatin has two similar ligands positioned opposite to each other. This spatial difference significantly reduces its ability to form effective DNA crosslinks, making it largely ineffective as an anti-cancer agent. Cisplatin is one of the most widely used chemotherapy drugs, known for its effectiveness in treating a range of solid tumors. Cisplatin is particularly renowned for its role in curing testicular cancer. When combined with other chemotherapy drugs, it has a cure rate exceeding 90%, turning what was once a highly fatal disease into one with excellent survival outcomes. Often part of the first-line treatment regimens, cisplatin plays a key role in slowing tumor growth, and improving survival rates in ovarian cancer patients. Cisplatin is frequently used to treat advanced or metastatic bladder cancer, often in combination with other drugs. It is effective in managing certain forms of non-small cell lung cancers. Cisplatin is a standard component of chemoradiation therapy for cancers in head and neck regions. It is also used in treating cervical, gastric, esophageal, and several other solid tumors. Cisplatin is rarely used alone. Its effectiveness is amplified when combined with other chemotherapy agents or radiation therapy, allowing for more comprehensive cancer management. Cisplatin, while life-saving, comes with significant side effects due to its impact on both cancerous and healthy cells. The most important side effect is caused by drug accumulation in the kidneys. Hydration protocols and protected agents are used to mitigate the risk. Cisplatin can damage inner ear cells, leading to permanent hearing loss, especially in children. It is highly emetogenic, but manageable with modern anti-nausea medications. Cisplatin reduces blood cell production, increasing infection risk, anemia, and bleeding. It can cause numbness and tingling in extremities, which may persist after treatment. Other side effects include fatigue, electrolyte imbalance, and mild liver enzyme abnormalities. While these side effects can be severe, advances in supportive care have significantly improved patient outcomes, making cisplatin a cornerstone of cancer treatment. Despite its success, cisplatin faces challenges such as resistance, toxicity, and limited efficacy in certain cancers. Ongoing research aims to address these issues and enhance its potential. Researchers are creating new platinum-based compounds like carboplatin and oxaliplatin, designed to be less toxic and effective against cisplatin-resistant tumors. Nanotechnology and drug carriers such as liposomes or nanoparticles are being explored to deliver cisplatin directly to the tumor, minimizing damage to healthy cells and reducing side effects. Pairing cisplatin with drugs that inhibit DNA repair pathway or enhance apoptosis aim to increase its effectiveness and overcome resistance. Studies are identifying genetic markers and molecular pathways that influence cisplatin sensitivity, allowing for personalized cancer therapies. Protective agents and innovative formulations are being developed to mitigate nephrotoxicity, ototoxicity, and neuropathy while preserving its anti-cancer activity. Research is focused on understanding mechanism of resistance such as enhanced DNA repair or drug efflux and designing interventions to reduce them. Inspired by cisplatin's mechanism, scientists are investigating alternative metal-based drugs such as ruthenium and gold complexes to expand the set of cancer treatments. Here are a few fascinating facts about cisplatin that might surprise you. Cisplatin was the first platinum-based chemotherapy drug to be approved for use in humans. It was discovered accidentally during an experiment that had nothing to do with the cancer treatment. Just as penicillin transformed the fight against bacterial infection, cisplatin did the same for cancer, earning it the nickname the penicillin of cancer. Cisplatin is used in combination with other drugs for a wide variety of cancer, but its success is most remarkable in treating testicular cancer. Even decades after its introduction, cisplatin remains one of the most widely used chemotherapy drugs, often combined with other agents for various cancers, including lung, ovarian, and bladder cancers. The success of cisplatin led to the development of second and third generation platinum-based drugs like carboplatin and oxaliplatin, which aim to reduce side effects while maintaining efficacy. One of cisplatin's major side effects is ototoxicity, which can cause permanent hearing loss. Scientists are actively researching ways to mitigate this without compromising its effectiveness. Cisplatin is on the World Health Organization's model list of essential medicines, highlighting its importance in healthcare system worldwide. From a serendipitous discovery in a laboratory to a life-saving drug, Cisplatin's journey is a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and perseverance. Its continued use in the fight against cancer has saved countless lives, and with ongoing research into its analogues and mechanism, Cisplatin's legacy is sure to sustain for generations to come.